Good day, Jeff here from the National Weather Service. It's Sunday, November 10th. Taking a look at the satellite going out here in the Pacific, the next weather system is just approaching the coast, and right now it looks like a pretty strong weather system, except that when it approaches, it's going to split. Most of this energy here is going to go south of us, but still will be a pretty good mountain snow producer. Looking farther out to the west, there's another weather system out here that has a pretty good moisture tap, and we'll be looking at that arriving middle to end of next week, or this week, middle to end of this week. So we'll see how that plays out. A couple things that we'll watch with that I'll touch on. Main points here is that we're mostly expecting mountain snow and then a little bit of wind early this week, and then maybe seeing some snow make it down to some of the valleys as we get to the end of the week and maybe more like Saturday. So we'll take a look at that too. Focusing in on our precipitation chances, the time periods that really stand out here is later in the day on Monday and Monday night, and then again on Wednesday night, and then the end of the week and going into the weekend. Those three main time periods stand out for precipitation, valley rain, and mountain snow. And that shows here, if we just average out the whole area, you can see these periods where we have generally lower chances and then these higher periods that stand out. Looking at snow levels are fairly high, so really only have snow in the higher elevations. And look out past, looking at some mini inches going into Tuesday morning, and again that Wednesday into Thursday. And we have Lost Trail Lolo passes in there as well. Temperature trends pretty mild during the day, seeing some freezing, below freezing temperatures at night and in the mornings. So probably have trouble accumulating any snowfall that falls in them, over mountain roadways during the daytime hours, and then overnight and early morning see those accumulations. Snow levels here, we see a lot of 6,000 foot snow levels with a little bit of lowering as each system passes. A general lowering on Thursday, but we don't really see valleys getting into the mix until maybe going that Friday into the weekend, but there's still some question on how that weather system is going to play out. And the wind that I was talking about, we see some gustier winds showing up beginning on Monday, and then Monday night, there's cold front passage shows some wind, and then on Tuesday, just overall breezy. And then again, Wednesday, Thursday, seeing some more wind show up in a few places. Looking at just point-specific snow amounts, Marias Pass here, seeing that same focus going that Tuesday morning and again Wednesday into Thursday. Same trend as we move forward and look at Lookout Pass, Lolo Pass, Lost Trail Pass. Georgetown Lake showing a little bit. As we get a little bit farther over to like Homestake and McDonald Pass, I'm not really seeing much snow there. Gilmore Summit has a little bit. And then as we look for a little bit farther out for our outlooks, both the 6 to 10 and the 18 to 8 to 14 days are showing leaning toward below average temperatures with a trough dominating the weather pattern. And then also showing more of a higher probability to see above average precipitation for both of these periods. The next briefing is scheduled for Thursday, November 14th. If you have any questions between now and then, please let us know.